Welcome to the Hitachi construction machinery factories in the Netherlands. In Amsterdam, we manufacture crawler and wheeled excavators, medium wheel loaders, and all special application machines. In Oosterhout, we produce mini and compact excavators. A total of 300 people work in Amsterdam and 100 in Oosterhout. The icons on their caps show their specialist skills and responsibilities, such as experience with forklifts, excavators, as well as first responders and team leaders. They are at the heart of the production process, and their safety is paramount. To meet growing demand, the 8,000 square meter Oosterhout facility was renovated in 2018. It now has a state-of-the-art semi-automatic assembly line with an in-floor chain and moving platforms. The base machine, supplied from Japan, moves along this during production. We manufacture the arm, boom and blade, as well as the cab for some models. We also customize the excavators to meet customer requirements, with extra mirrors, additional counterweight or different tracks, for example. Oosterhout supplies machines to the nearby European distribution center, which then supplies machines to customers within a delivery time of 2 to 4 weeks. Both the Oosterhout and Amsterdam factories follow lean manufacturing processes. In Amsterdam, every model is produced to order. For excavators, the front attachment, undercarriage and various options are all completed here. For wheel loaders, we produce the front frame and lift arm. There are actually 2 factories on the 50,000 square meter site. Factory A for assembly, 30,000 square meters, and Factory B for components, 20,000 square meters. Some components are supplied from HCME in Japan. Others are supplied locally from Europe. The welding process in Factory B starts with delivery of plates or components to the welders. Components are tacked, then welded manually or by robot. The robotic welding systems use advanced technology and are highly accurate. Smoke from the welding process is cleared as much as possible by suction systems for a more comfortable working environment. Once the robot has finished, the final welders inspect and check the quality of all products. Before painting, components are prepared, sanded and filed, then hung up in the component's paint line. A wall now prevents the dust caused by sanding from entering into the hydraulics. A suction system is also used. The components are then painted in an epoxy primer, and then, while wet, the top coat is applied. To maintain a high level of quality throughout the production process, powerful lighting strips are used to check the result. The same lighting is used during manufacture, painting, and during the final checks. LED lights have also been installed in Factory B. They're automated and adjustable and operate on sensors, which helps to save energy and costs. After painting, the arm is ready to be added to the excavators in the main assembly line in Factory A. The upper section of the excavator comes from the HCME factory in Japan. The options and modifications are added on the assembly line. In the cab, additional lights, mirrors, sun visor, and the seat can be added. Modifications to the hydraulics and undercarriage can also be made. The most popular requests are for track shoes, which are available in different widths. Workers have easy access to parts such as pipes and plates from specially designed carts. The parts are transported around the factory efficiently by a small car with 6 wagons behind it. When the upper structure is ready for docking, it can be added to the undercarriage. Specialist equipment to tighten the bolts of the outer swing bearing ensures a high-quality fail-proof torque setting and reduces the physical exertion of employees. Blankets and covers are used to protect the machines during assembly from any damages. This means less time is required at the end of the process to repair minor scratches. One piece of equipment to prevent the cylinder from touching painted surfaces on the arm and boom was developed by employees and prevents damage. This simple yet effective solution was developed in the Kaizen area of the factory. Employees are encouraged to think of improvements that can be made to the production process, and they can develop their own items of equipment here. There's also an area specifically for training, which focuses on welding, assembling, and painting. In the final stages of the process, functional testing takes place after the stickers have been applied. We test for hydraulic leakages, the hydraulic pressure configuration, and speed to ensure the machine is in optimum condition before delivery to the customer. The final inspection includes a strip lighting check and specification check, so that the machine leaving the factory is of the highest quality and exactly what the customer ordered. Thank you for visiting our factories. We hope you enjoyed the tour.